Can you come see mommy? Can you come? It's the grass. Can you come see mommy? Oh. Uh-oh. What are you gonna do? Can you make it over here? You come see mommy? She doesn't like touching the grass. Come see mommy. Come see me.
Hi.
Hi. Look, it's Trelise. Clover hates touching the grass. I'm trying to get her to come over here. But she doesn't want to touch it.
Clover, Clover, Clover!
Come here. Come see us. Come see us.
Come on, over here! Over here!
Oh, oh. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. There you go. You can do it. Come here. Come see mama. Come see mama.